Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you need to create a form and break it down to multiple pages? Well, that's possible. Let me show you an example. So here you have the client intake form. So we have the first page as the basic information. Let's put in the details. So let's say my full name's Archie, test and a test email, and then a company is a test, and then let's click next. The next page we have the project type, the budget, and the deadline. And on the next page, we have the goals. Let's just put in test here, reference, and we can skip the file. And then the last page is for us to review our submission. You can always go back and check your answers. And once you're good with the answers, on the last page, you can submit the project. So here is an example of a multi-page form in NoteForms. NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion actually has its own form builder. It is straightforward and easy to use. It offers basic form features, but it doesn't have advanced features such as allowing you to have multiple pages into your forms. And this is where NoteForms stands out. This is very helpful, especially in cases that you need to create long forms, such as job application or client intake forms, where your users would need to scroll a long page and answer a lot of questions. With breaking it down to multiple pages, it will be more digestible and not overwhelming for your users, which will lead to better engagement and more submissions to your. So now let me walk you through on how to add multiple pages into your form. So let's just say that we're going to create a new form. Uh, First, we need to make sure we're logged into our NoteForms account. And on the upper right of the page, click on Create a New Form. And on the next page, we have the option to use an existing Notion database, or we can start from scratch. We will start from scratch so we can utilize the AI Form Builder. So here, let's enter the prompt and click Generate Form. The form that we're trying to create is client intake form with 3 pages. First page will be basic information, name, email, company. Next page will be project details. Third page will be background and preference. And page 4 or final page will be review and submit. It's 20 seconds now. It's almost ready. 25 seconds, starting the AI magic. 27 seconds, it's analyzing requirements. More than half a minute, it's fine tuning validation. Optimizing UX by 39 seconds. The polishing design by 45 seconds. There you go. As quick as that, as easy as that, you already have your form with multiple pages created. By the way, this was created automatically by AI. But just for you to know, if you'd like to add a page, so let's say you have like 4 pages here, right? Background preference, final review and submit. To break down input fields into multiple pages, all you need to do is click Add Block. Once you click Add Block on the right side, under Custom Blocks, you have Page Break. Just click on Page Break, and let's just say you'd like to put it here. So you have the basic information, full name, and company name. And you'd like to have the company name on another page. So all you need to do is put the page break between email address and company name. So you'll see here the full name and email address would be the first page. The next page will be the company name, a separate page for the company name. But that's just an example. Let's remove this page break. So you already have your form here with multiple pages. The next thing that we need to do is click Publish Form on the upper right. And since we don't have the Notion database yet, it will be created for us automatically. We just need to select the Notion page where the Notion database will be created. So, and then click Save Form. And as easy as that, it will automatically create the form for you. Hopefully, this video helps. But if you still have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support, and we will be happy to answer your questions.